So I've attached the new belt using this mechanism. Basically the spring goes on the left of this trolley hole. The spring goes on the left of this trolley hole, and on the right goes this lag nut with the nut, and basically you screw it into this hole in the bolt and it attaches. And I don't have the pulley yet. I've ordered a new pulley, but I would first need to put this belt behind the pulley, so I do need the pulley eventually. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just prepare the belt for installation. So once I've secured it on this side, I can tighten this later, tighten the tension on this later. And I have to bring the belt all the way back from behind into this hook on the trolley. So for now I'm just going to prepare the belt ready for installation, and when I receive the new idle pulley, then I can complete the installation. So I'm just going to hold the other end of the belt and essentially climb up this ladder. Basically you have to bring it to the sprocket and gear and bring it on the other side of the belt. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring the belt all the way to here and then over on the other side and back to near the garage door.